Hi, welcome to AweSam videos. My name is Saravanan Nagaraj. I'm in Miami right now. One of the must-do thing is to take the island cruise boat. It's basically you can take any boat trip, but I'm in an island cruise boat. We're gonna see the skyline of downtown Miami, and also see the billionaire houses and so on. So it's going to be a pretty nice view that we're going to see of the city. Let's get started. I am with the family now. They're having a wonderful time. Right now we're in the base level. We will be going up soon. This is Mark Cuban's. It's about $150 million. It's a fountain head, that's what it is, yeah. Yeah, you will see full of activities here. There are a lot of people come here and love to take jet skis and everything. So as you see, there is a boat here, and there are people who will actually rent a boat, and you know, there's boats you can actually get it for like $400, $500 to, you know, $10,000, $15,000 an hour. So it depends on how much you want to spend. So if you see here, all the houses will have a yacht or a boat. So, you know, where I am from is Virginia, where I stay is a lake community. There, everybody would actually have a boat because, you know, you're being in a lake and having a boat is obviously one of the things that's a necessary thing. So like that, so Miami, if you have an oceanfront house, so you really have to have a boat. It's again, what you see here is a cruise ship, and it is Port of Miami. There's this is the world's #1 place where people to actually come in for international cruise travels. So you will see, you know, it's a COVID, it's less, but you will usually see, you know, millions of people on a yearly basis who travel. That's the Jackie Chan house, like a hut. That's called a Monument Island. So a lot of people used to dock boat there. So what you see here is a Puerto Rican singer, Ricky Martin. The White Mansion, what you see here is Ricky Martin. So this is Usher's house, a music artist, if you know Usher. So that's his house, and there's like a lot of videos are shot here. That is the Al Capone's house. So the guy from Chicago, the drug dealer, I guess, big deal. So that's his house. That used to be his house. So that's the Instagram guy's house who developed the Instagram app, and he sold it to Facebook for $1 million. So what you see here is one of the cheaper houses for $16 million. So what you see here is Enrique Iglesias' house. This is the Jennifer Lopez house right here. What you see here is for just 2 people house for $150 million. It's a pharmaceutical CEO. His name is Philip. So yeah, that's $150 million. So we went to the museum, the science museum. So he built that science museum. That's his Philip Ross. This is Miami Port actually. It's one of the world's largest, world's largest actually. That's a beautiful skyline you can see. That's the downtown Miami. So they also have advertisement here for, you know, yacht and everything. So you pay about $1,000, $1,500 for a yacht for 2 hours or 4 hours. When I started, I stated about the beautiful Miami downtown view. So if you see that skyline, it's so beautiful. What you're seeing here is a man-made beach. So this view, you will only get it from a boat, for sure. Or you need to get it from a drone. So what you see here is more of a party boat, a charter party boat. So you can rent that for party's sake. So a lot of people do that. So that's Brickell, that's the financial district, and there is a bridge which separates that. Coming here, which is, we did another video related for the Bayside Marketplace. You may want to check that. It's a good one actually. What you see here is a yacht, but it is not actually actual yacht. It is a restaurant. And one of the things that you need to do when you come to Miami is take the ferry. So you pay $3 and it takes you from South Beach to downtown. It's a good one, so you get to have a great view of the city. What you see is a decent delivery. If you're taking your own boat or yacht, if you run out of a boat, so you call them, they will come in and, you know, add fuel. So that's a cool thing. I never, you know, we have a roadside assistance. It's a kind of an oceanside assistant, I guess. Yeah, that's nice. So we're heading back to the Bayside where we actually started. We did a video on the Bayside. I'll add that to the description. You must check that out. So it's good. So yeah, we're almost back. So we're gonna actually dock this one. So we're back to the dock now. So I hope you've liked this video. Please do come and experience this. I understand it's a video, but you've got to experience that in person. It's wonderful. It is not really expensive. You pay about $20–30 and per person. That's pretty much all it is. It is a worth a visit. And again, this is middle of the winter, and I'm completely enjoying this. I'm from Virginia, so it is wonderful. It is snowing in Virginia now, so it is amazing. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to this channel. See you later.